The sun is on fire literally in 2024. It's hitting one of its most intense periods in 20 years, unleashing powerful solar storms across the solar system. In May 2024, people in some of the most unexpected places like Ohio and even north of San Francisco were treated to stunning displays of light in the night sky, the auroras. Normally, you'd only expect to see auroras near the poles. But thanks to the sun's current activity, beautiful curtains of color have danced across the skies in more southern latitudes. These breathtaking light shows are caused by charged particles from the sun interacting with Earth's atmosphere. And right now, the sun is going through solar maximum, its 11-year cycle where it's more active than usual. This leads to more solar flares and coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, powerful bursts of energy that can travel through space and beyond. Spacecraft like the European Space Agency's Solar Orbiter are getting a front row seat to this cosmic energy. Scientists are studying how the sun's activity affects not only Earth but the entire solar system. When these solar storms hit other planets, they have their own wild effects. On Mercury and Venus, the atmospheres start glowing with light. On Mars, the atmosphere expands and lights up with ultraviolet auroras. NASA's Curiosity rover even captured particles striking the Martian surface, creating what looks like dancing snow. But these storms don't just stop there. Spacecraft orbiting Mars can take a beating too. Radiation from the solar storms degrades their solar panels over time and can cause memory errors in their onboard computers. And as these storms ripple out, they can even light up the magnetic fields of far-off planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, creating their own versions of auroras.